Are you ready for a pen that's more than just a pen? Get ready to twist, bend, and build your way to stress relief and endless fun. This isn't your average writing tool. It's a magnetic masterpiece. Say hello to the incredible magnetic fidget pen. It's crafted from high-quality metal, giving it a smooth, premium feel. It's odorless, non-toxic, and built with strong magnets for maximum fidget power. This isn't just for writing notes. It's a cool finger gadget and a deformation toy all in one. Let your imagination run wild. The magnetic pieces let you create countless shapes, patterns, and sculptures. Think swords, robots, monsters, whatever pops into your head. It's the perfect way to pass the time and keep your hands busy. Get creative on the go. Feeling stressed or anxious? Just grab this magnetic pen. Playing with the magnets helps relieve pressure and calm your mind. It's a fantastic tool for students, professionals, or anyone needing a little focus boost. It's a cool gadget for teens and adults alike. Looking for a unique present? This magnetic fidget pen is a total winner. It's a novel gift that's perfect for kids, teachers, doctors, designers, and anyone who loves cool gadgets. Customers rave about how fun it is and what a great gift it makes. They love the cool design and functionality. Don't miss out on the fun. This magnetic pen is a fantastic way to de-stress, boost creativity, and have a blast. It's affordable and brings joy to anyone who uses it. Click the link below to grab your own magnetic fidget pen today. Start building, writing, and fidgeting your way to a more relaxed and creative you.